Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you having trouble with your iMessage not getting delivered on your iPhone? This guide will walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Without the internet access, iMessages won't be delivered. Next, verify iMessage setting. Open the setting app. Then you scroll down and tap on messages. Ensure iMessage is toggled on. You can also restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. Press and hold the power button and either volume button for iPhone X and later, or the power button for iPhone 8 and earlier until the slider appears. Slide to turn off. Wait a few seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. You can also send as SMS. If iMessage is unavailable, your iPhone can send the message as an SMS instead. Go to Setting, then Messages, and enable Send as SMS. You also need to check the recipient's information. Make sure the recipient's phone number or email address is correctly entered in your contacts. Next, update iOS. Keeping your iPhone software up to date can resolve many issues. Go to the Setting app, click on General, and then locate Software Update and install any available update. You can also sign out and back into the iMessage. Go to the Setting app, click on Messages, and tap on Send and Receive. Tap on your Apple ID and select Sign Out. Then you sign back in with your Apple ID. If none of these above steps work, try resetting your network setting. You go to the Setting app, locate General. Now you navigate your way to the Reset section. Click on it and reset network settings. Note that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi network and passwords, so you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.